actually install it or cut it myself. But you know, I made it. It's cute. So yes. Alright, y'all, so you're gonna need some needle and thread, of course, some T-pins, some scissors, and I just used the clip to hold the closure out of the way while I sew the rest of the hair on. Alright, so I also used the GEX canvas head. I used the size 22" for my head size. I think just like the average head size, so if you want to start off with, get that one. Okay, so obviously you're gonna need your closure in your hair. I'm using a 6x6 closure. I already bleached the knots on it, so, and I already have a video on it too, so if you want to see how I do it. I think the closure was 12 inches, and I also got 12-inch bundles. I could have got 10-inch bundles, but this was my first time getting a bob made, so I didn't know what inches to get. Okay, y'all, so right here in this clip, I was showing y'all to just pull the closure down in front of the cap, probably about 1/2 inch. I don't measure it, so yeah. But basically, this whole clip was me struggling, trying to pin the closure down. I always sew my closure down on the wig cap while the head is in my lap because it's just easier. But with this, I was struggling, so I had to put it on the mannequin stand. So I'm just gonna fast forward to that part. Alright, y'all, so I went ahead and I T-pinned the closure down off camera because I was just struggling that bad. So I got it pinned down. You just want to make sure that it's flat on both sides and go ahead and start sewing at the edge of the closure. Okay, so right here my thread had got a little messed up, but I just went ahead and fixed it and continued sewing. Okay, so the T-pin kept getting in my way, so I just took it out and kept sewing. Okay, so now I'm just getting started on the other side. I was struggling quite a bit, but I am going to show y'all how I was trying to reposition it to get it to lay flat. So yeah, but it is difficult working with a 6x6. I probably wouldn't do it again unless I was just going for a certain look. So yeah. Alright y'all, so once I was satisfied with how it was positioned, I just went ahead and started back sewing. Alright, so now I'm just showing y'all how both sides are super flat, and I'm just going to sew the back part down now. Y'all, this is why you need T-pins that are your best friend. I swear. You need them. Okay, so now we're finna get started with sewing the tracks on the cap.
So then, why?
Alright, so when you first start sewing a track, you want to make sure you double knot it, and then once you get to the end of the track, you also want to make sure you double knot it to just ensure that it's tight. Okay y'all, so this part is pretty much self-explanatory, so I'm pretty much gonna fast forward through the rest of the video. I'll slow it down at certain points so you can see like how I lay the tracks once I start getting closer to the top, because that is important to make sure that your unit comes out flat. And that's pretty much it. so I'm about to get ready to do the fold over method. Obviously, just folding the track over. So you just want to make sure it's super flat at the corners and go ahead and sew through it. And I do double knot it at the ends, like I said before, to just make sure it's tight. So I don't do the fold over method the whole way through. Once I start getting to the top, or I feel like I may be about to run low on hair, I'll start just single, whatever you call it, using single tracks instead of doubling it.
So then, why?
Okay, so once I got to the end, I decided not to fold it over, so I just went ahead and cut it. And yeah. Okay, so with this track, I guess I wanted it to be flatter than it was, so I went ahead and pre-measured it, and I doubled the track, but I went ahead and cut it, so it was just two flat tracks instead of doing the fold over method. But pretty much from this point out, you just want to go lay your tracks across, and I'm just going to fast forward once I get to the top. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you guys how I draw the outline around my closure, so I know where I'm going to lay the tracks once I get to the top. So you want your tracks to lay flat around your closure. If they don't, it's not going to look right, y'all. It's not going to look right. So I just use white outline, and you can use whatever you got and just outline it. Okay, so I don't know what happened to the lining. It got terrible, but as you can see, I'm still just laying the track straight across. Okay, right here I'm just showing y'all with my fingers how I'm going to lay the next tracks. And then, of course, like I said, the white line is where I'm going to start laying the tracks behind the closure. Okay, so this is the end result. I didn't do any extra like plucking or nothing like that because I was getting it installed. I just parted and I flat ironed it. I forgot to show y'all how I cut the cap from up underneath the lace, but it's pretty self-explanatory, so yeah, just make sure you do that. Alright y'all, so here's the end result after I got it installed. If you like this video, give me a like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.